Hey, welcome to lesson 25 of our course. This is ChatGPT for credit repair business owners. This is just a preview of the last lesson in module 3. There's 5 total modules. This is just the beginning. You know, if your business is thriving and growing, but you're still seeing challenges, how do you scale without losing control or quality? You know, AI and this course have all of the answers. In this lesson, again, this is just the preview, but in this lesson, we're going to help you understand how to grow. AI helps you assess key factors like client base, resources, and infrastructure. We're going to help you embrace automation with AI's guidance on tools and software, simplifying client data management and communication. We're going to show you how to go beyond credit repair. You know, AI helps you craft compelling value propositions for financial education and for credit coaching. Yeah, you're going to be able to target the right audience with strategic marketing positioning. It's going to position your business as an industry leader. As a bonus, we're also going to dive into how AI can help you create a team that grows with your business. Lesson 25 unlocks the roadmap to business growth, turning the challenge of scaling into an achievable goal. And remember, this is not the full lesson. This is just a quick sneak peek. It's a preview. Enroll in ChatGPT for credit repair business owners now by clicking the link below, and I will see you on the inside.